Can I access Wells Fargo ATM without a card?
Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss an important topic: how to use a Wells Fargo ATM without a card. Yes, you heard it right. It's possible and actually quite simple. This technology is changing the way we bank, making our lives a bit easier and even more secure. So, let's dive right into it.
What is Cardless ATM Access?
Cardless ATM Access allows customers to access ATM machines without a physical card. It's a digital innovation that banks are gradually incorporating into their services. Wells Fargo is one of those forward-thinking banks that offer this feature. They utilize a system where one-time access codes are sent to your mobile device, which can then be used to withdraw money from an ATM.
How to use Wells Fargo Cardless ATM?
To access Wells Fargo ATM without a card, follow these steps. 1. Download and set up the Wells Fargo Mobile app on your device. You need to have an account with Wells Fargo to do this. 2. Sign in to the Wells Fargo Mobile app. 3. Once signed in, choose the card-free ATM access under Account Services or similar menu. 4. Here you'll get a one-time 8-digit access code. Remember, this code will only be valid for a limited time period. 5. Go to a nearby Wells Fargo ATM, enter the access code, followed by your PIN. 6. You're all set. Now, you can carry out your transactions just like you would with a card. Remember to keep your access code and PIN confidential to avoid unauthorized access to your account.
Why use Cardless ATM Access?
The Cardless ATM Access feature is not just a novelty. It provides practical benefits. 1. Convenience. If you've left your card at home or misplaced it, this feature will still allow you to access your account. 2. Security. No card means no card information for someone to steal. Also, since the access codes are one-time use and expire quickly, they won't be useful to anyone who might intercept them. 3. Speed. Digital transactions can often be quicker than those that require inserting a card, entering a PIN, and waiting for the machine to process the card. So, there you have it. Now you know how to use a Wells Fargo ATM without a card. This feature is a game changer, bringing in more convenience, speed, and security. Remember to keep your access code and PIN safe. Hopefully, you found this information useful, and it makes your banking a bit easier. Stay tuned for more banking tips and tricks.